Listen, you're looking for the highest paying remote job of 2024 going into 2025? You don't need a degree, any experience, or even a social media following to get started. You only need 2 or 3 hours a day to make real money. Forbes has listed this as one of the top paying jobs for the second year in a row. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Sylvan and I'm 61 years old. I help people just like you make passive income from anywhere in the world. So, what is this job? Well, it's digital marketing. And there's no inventory, no shipping, no cold calling. All you need is your phone or a laptop to promote ready-made digital products that solves real problems. Here's the kicker. I don't even need to create these products. I just promote and sell them using social media, and because of that, I've been able to make four figures a day, travel the world, and work from absolutely anywhere. Sounds interested? Drop me a ready in the comment section below, and I'll send you my free beginner's guide that breaks everything down step by step with no step skips. Listen, if this sounds like what you are looking for, make sure to save and share this with a friend who may need it. And don't forget to follow for more tips on making money online and living life on your terms. See you in the next video.